Have you been annoyed by the download library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze localized download orchestration dependency and restore that missing file. To begin the walkthrough for download library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the download library, frequently bundled with localized software managers or downloader stubs. It manages the multi-threaded file streaming and checksum verification for third-party updates. Because it initiates remote network connections, it is often flagged by antivirus heuristics. If missing, the parent app will report a network library initialization failure and refuse to fetch updates. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Because Download Library DLL is a proprietary component linked to the localized download orchestration system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the download library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. A quick safety warning: never download files like Download Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing download library dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved download library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.